Okay, now we're over at 433 Victoria. 2-bed, 2-bath, 896 square foot, and on it 325,000. Okay. Surrounding neighbors look good. There is either a bear or wind that comes up here. The trash can is knocked over. More than likely it's the wind, because we got up to 70 miles per hour last night. Dual pane windows, nice covered porch. I love that pine tree. So we'll go in. Somebody else was just here. So big living room, much like the first one at 536. This is interesting. Blackjack table and a bar. It's not built in though, so that can go away. And you've got some probably 1990s tile flooring, pantry, nice little even breakfast nook. Cool thing about this one, it does have washer dryer, which many of them don't. And a nice deck, kind of private. You've got these people over here, and then you've got these over here, but your neighbors in the back, there really aren't much on that corner right there. The deck seems like it's in really, really good shape. Don't want to stay too long because it's freezing outside. So we will go. Let's go check out the first. Well, first off, you got a nice fireplace. That looks maybe newer than the age of the house. And this bathroom looks like part of it's been remodeled with the flooring. Maybe replace some carpet one day. Bedroom 1 that has a patio access balcony. And then this is my favorite part. Bedroom 2. And they have drywalled off that closet and put a bathroom right here. So I'm not entirely sure if that is permitted. We can find out if we want to. So there you go.